What's up, classes? Yeah, it's been an interesting last week. This is our week 3 update, and I was only there for two days. Absent Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So second period, I didn't even get to see y'all. So there is not much of a recap for y'all because I didn't even see y'all. And that would mean my silver days. I didn't see silver days anytime last week. So for purple day, we didn't really get to do much. We just talked about the type of diets that we're going to get into. So that's something that you should be expecting to do. And I told you your marking period exam that I'm trying to get you to do is to tell me which diet is best for your immune system. All right. A lot going on with me. I apologize for all the absences. This is not something I planned, but there's a lot going on in my life right now, y'all. I ask you bear with me and please try to keep the learning enthusiasm going. I know as you start to get subs a lot, you then start to get disengaged in the learning process, but I'm gonna ask you to please try to stay engaged in the learning process. I'm gonna try to create things to do when I'm absent. It's not always easy because of the facilities and the resources that we have, but I'm trying to get something a little bit more. Hopefully this is gonna work out what I'm trying to do now. So yeah, that was last week. What to look forward to? We're on week 4. So immunity and work on your breathing. Work on your breathing, work on your breathing, work on your breathing, because we need to do a pre-assessment. I need to see how fast you run a mile. I need to see how many push-ups and sit-ups you can do. So we got some work to do coming forward, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully I can be there as much as possible. So please bear with this process, with these absences. I'm dealing with sicknesses with my kids and my wife. And since I'm the healthy guy here, I have to spread my health to the entire family, and it hasn't worked that way yet. Because a lot of my kids took on my previous eating habits. They didn't take on my current good eating habits. And so that's the challenge that I'm having right now, is trying to get them to understand these new eating habits, because they're so bought into taste, just like many of you are bought into taste. So are my kids and my wife, actually. So I'm kind of like the Lone Ranger in health right now. But hopefully I won't be forever. And hopefully I can share some information with you that will also help you see the benefits of the types of food that you put in your body. So with that, I'm gonna end. Hopefully I get to see y'all more this week and moving forward. But I'm gonna do these weekly recaps. So have a great week, y'all. Peace.